Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to create topographic position index in your raster image. If you want to interested, you need to topographic position index for raster image. So it is very important for this process. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our raster image. For topographic position index, we go to raster and go to analysis. After analysis, we go to topographic position index and we click here. After it, here is automatic index layer, means input layer. Here is input layer and we select here band number, already selected band 1, and we tick complete it. After it, we run it. Our topographic position index is created. We right click and zoom to layer. Here is topographic position index. If you want to change color, for color you right click, go to property and select here render type single band. After it, color ramp as per your choice, you select it and you select here color any and apply and OK. You see here your topographic position index is completed. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video.